NBE has proposed the new date for NEET PG examination of 3rd August. The idea is Supreme Court set the ruling that examination should be conducted only in one shift. The major reason was the arbitrariness in the two shift papers, and it is not possible to create the two papers with identical level of difficulty. Citing other reasons for transparency and accountability as well, the idea was that examination should be conducted in a single shift. Now with this, what is really important to understand is that this examination is now proposed for 3rd of August. The examination would be conducted under a single shift with the help of TCS Tata Consultancy for nearly 2,40,000 students at more than 1,000 centers across 250 cities in India, and this would require minimum 60,000 people in some form or the other, which would range from system operators to network administrators, security staff, CCTV staff, electricians, and so on. And TCS would arrange nearly 2,000 local exam servers to help conduct the examination. Now, since you now have time for preparing for the NEET PG examination, it is a good idea to practice as much as you can. The recent paper patterns have shown that the NEET PG examination has gone more applicative on the lines of FMCG. So it's really important that you practice more, prepare well, and here is the list of practice material. So you can click on any of the questions and you would see the questions and the practice material here. So wish you all the best. Thanks for joining in, and stay tuned for further updates.